Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Multi-Arts Target 100. On the outreach program, every month we are conducting one session on different topics like spoken languages, communication skills, health, and everything. Every month we are coming with different topic. So this month also we came with a different topic, that is imagine healing without medication. I am welcoming Jyoti ma'am to take the session from Multi-Arts. Thank you, ma'am. You can start the session.
Thank you for your intro. Very good evening to one and all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I hope you'll enjoy the session. We'll just start the session now. Ma'am, can I share the screen? Yeah, once again, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the session. As you all know that Multi-Arts is like encouraging everyone, each and everyone, and they are giving chances to new upcomers and doing so a number of things. So on the part of that, today I'm glad to hear that I'm one of the member and taking this session. So thank you for that, for the Multi-Arts, for giving this opportunity, first of all. So we'll just start the session. Before going to the session, I just want to just ask you, like, if you have any like fever, throat pain, or any other issues, how many of you are like taking medications, like small, simple medications every day in a daily life? Can I know? You can share in the chat box as well.
Ma'am, you are in mute. Ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So one of the other, we are like taking the medication for headache, if it is like for 2 days or some, and for cough and cold and everything, right? So as you all know, we are addicted to the, we can say that, like without that we can't work. So to go our day smoothly and do all the things very smoothly, we are just adopted everything and just we are taking that and we're just going on. So for that, why it is coming? First, we have to think that, right? And what is the reason that we have to think? And you all agree if I say that our body speaks with us? Yes? How many of you are aware of that? That our body is speaking with us and trying to say something. Yeah, you can unmute in between. You can say the answers, or you can take the chat box help. Oh, yeah. As you said, thyroid, you have taken tablets or for the cough and cold. And according to the seasonal, we are going forward. Everything, each and everything is changing the medication and everything. So we can reduce the medicine and going further, we can stop it also. So how we can going to make it? So for that, first we have to know our body. Like we know that we have hands, everything, but we have to speak with our body. Like how many of you know the symptoms, like you are getting a headache, you are like, body will tell you before itself, like the symptoms. It will say that if you are eating this, if you are doing this, you will get this. That symptoms, the body will show it to you. Like every day we have to analyze our own body. Like we know that how they are feeling. If you are talking with someone, like your relation or with your own friend or anyone, so you will feel that they are feeling something when you say some bad, or they will feel very happy, or they will laugh when you say something. So the reaction you also attract, like you know that how they feel. The same way, our body will also talk with us. Like if you are getting headache means before day what you have done, either it is a food or any different things in the food, or you have gone somewhere like in the open air, suddenly you have came out of the house, like that, right? So these are the things that body will say that these are the things happened, so you have this problem occurred, right? So without that medication, like this problem, if you are getting anything is there, so without that we can reduce all these tablets, all this medication which are your, it will not go to the major level. It we can reduce in initial stages only by taking a few steps, simple steps, like what we have forgot, like what we said, the ancient medication tips and all, everything we can go further, right? So just we'll go into the slide. Yeah, first thing is, as you all know that we have to eat right. Yes, then we have to eat our food in time. If it is okay, once everybody will say we have to take like skip the meal once a while in a week, it's okay. Like fasting we'll do, that's the thing, that is the different scenario. But going for the intermittent fasting and different types of fastings and all, like doing dieting and all, that should suit your body. Like example I can say, like if you are take went out for an like shopping, for a shopping, so you can take any other clothes, like others are like wearing the same color sari or same color kurti or shirt or whatever. Can you take the same thing? Yes. No, right? We have our own choice. The same way our body will react with own food. Our body needs some other type of food. Like today, I want to eat one, like only one fruit. I don't want to go for a meal. So, okay, let it be. So the body is saying that I'm okay for now. I'm full for now. So I will go with any one fruit. And sometimes it will specify that I want to, like we'll say carvings are there, say I want to eat chocolate today, I want it very badly, I want something today to eat, I like to eat some chatpata chaat and all, right? So that body will ask you, that body will say that you want like this. So that is the symptoms that body is speaking with you. So these are the things you have to little bit uh, see, like try to understand yourself, your body, so that it will help us like to understand like ourselves. So we can't say that I don't know how the body will speak. You'll get a question, how we'll speak, how the body will speak, like how we are speaking, the same way the symptoms, as I said the example, your friends and family members, what they are feeling by seeing the expressions and all, you can notice them, right? The same way here also, you can notice the body symptoms. When you are not well, you will say that I am not well to go work today, right? The same thing here also, it will come, and you have to know your body first. Then only we can go further for the whatever the like I'm going to say the ancient things what we have missed. Few of us we know, but in the journey of our life and in a busy schedule, so we are missing everything. So these are some things, important things we are missing in our day-to-day life. Might be some we are doing, but still as the same thing we have used to done in a long like our grandparents and all what they used to do, that thing we are missing here, right? So in this we have, you can see the chart here, we have so many things like homeopathy, naturopathy, ayurvedic, unani, siddha and yoga. These are the Indian system of medicines, those things we used to take it before. those things we are forgetted everything and we are just going to the medication, only the tablets. We are depending on the tablets. So these are the things we have to learn and recollect, and we have to brush up ourselves, revisit them, and come back to the same thing. We have to connect with the nature. So I will just go little brief on one by one. If you have any doubt in between, you can just chat or you can raise your hand or you can ask any question. I'm clear till now? Any questions till now? Okay. I think it's good. We'll go further. So these are the few things like we used to do before. Still now it's going on, but some of you, I think, may not be aware of all the things. Few of you are aware of few things, might be some of you are like aware of all the things. But awareness and daily life, everything like putting it in a place is different, right? So at least 5 minutes or 2 minutes we have to inculcate in our daily life so that we can go in a smooth life and without any I because you can say I'm the live example. So I'm doing all this. It will take only 5 minutes in a day, anytime. So only 5 minutes. So it will not be like so much time we are spending on a big things and all. Only just like a meal, just like how much you will take a time for a small meal or anything, tea or coffee. The same thing, you apply the time, take the time and do something, whichever is your like your body is expecting, like your body is opting, it is like okay, I can do this. Your mind will say yeah, go for this. If you want to choose some colors, if I ask you to choose any 2 3 colors or any other 2 3 dresses, you will go with one color, right? The same way we have so many n number of traditional therapies are there, so you can choose any one of them, and in that also you can go with one thing. So here we have the list of the things. I have done very few here, but so many are there. In that major things what we have, so I have given here, these are the things. So I will explain one by one. If you have any doubts in this, please let me know in between. Sorry. So in this traditional therapies, first we have the acupuncture. In this, we have acupuncture and acupressure. Two things are there. Pressure means we have to give the pressure with our thumb fingers and all. Acupuncture means you can see the picture here. A thin needle. Can you see this? So with the needle, very fine thin, like less than, it's like 1/4 of our hair. So it will be like they'll be using these needles to cure us. So this is one more thing. So this acupuncture, in that only we have cupping. So this is a like old Chinese method also we can say, but few are there from our ancient they have taken that also in a rumor, whatever it is, but we are using all the therapies and all. And next, if you go this, the same thing, moxibustion. So you can see the pictures here. So it is a type of like how we put the like agarbatti, you all know, right? The samrani will put the all this. With the smoky effect, they will be using all this. So this is also a Chinese technique medicine. So traditional thing. Here you can see directly they will put the herbs in the, they will wrap in the paper something. That paper is also a herb one with a leaf or something. They will put all the things in it and they will put a fire and the smoke. With the smoke only they will cure that with the herbs. And one more they will put directly, and here you can see the second picture on the top. Indirectly with the smoke they will just put a needle and they will do all this. So these are the few techniques which only experts can do, and this everybody can do. Like you can see the picture right now here. Can you see this picture? Yeah, this everybody can do. So this is called sujok. So sujok means like everything, like you can see the hand and you can see the palm, right? This here in our foot and in our palm here, everything it is there, like each and every part they have drawn here. So you can see that. So if you have any pain anywhere, anything is there, we can relate to that part and we can just press that part and it will, and like we can reduce the pain. That is literally we can do that. And it's happening also. And this is a good method and easy one. Everyone can do at home. So if you do this, everyone can become a doctor at home, own doctor for own body, and you can help at home only. You can go for this. So for this, I will few techniques and a few things I will let you know at the end of this. After the slides, I will show you how to press, where to press, and what are the points and all. Minimum basic things at home you can do it. So these are the kits. You can see here. These are the few kits for the sujok therapy. Like for this, if you want, you can go further. Otherwise, we can use whatever there at home. That also we can use that. So this is sujok therapy, and sujok means in a Korean word, su and jok means hand and foot. So you can see this, that mixed we have called this sujok. So everything, every body part, organs is related. So we can do whatever like pain is there, we can just give the pressure to that point and we'll get the relief. For sure, we'll get the relief. And next one, Varmam. So this is also an ancient one. Like we have the Ayurvedic massages and all. You all know that Kerala and all, right? So the same way, this is also one of that from our Indian culture, only from Tamil. So this is the pressure points. Can you see this? So these are the like massaging therapy, we can say. And one more, this we all know very well that we have 7 chakras in our body, and we have all these colors, like I said, colors, like we have given you any number of dresses, so you have to choose one. So that color will reflect your personality and the colors will go further, like what you have chosen accordingly. Everything will be go beyond, like you are that personality according to that color. We can say that. So these are the chakras, and according to the chakras, what are the according to the chakras, we have the energies here. So you can see the picture here, which color relate to what and how we have done this. Everything is they have given here. So in the detail, we can go further if you have any questions at the last. So in this color related, we have color therapy also. We have one color therapy. Like I said, the sujok, right? By pressing the all the things. The same way we have the color therapy with the colors. We can just put a point. If you have any pain anywhere, according to that part of the pain, we can put a point on your palm or feet so that it will reduce. So this is one more color therapy. And we have switch words. I think you all know switch words. What is that? So this switch words means like we'll pray to the God, right? So we'll pray to the God and we ask for something. So what we are like manifestation. That manifestation is called the switch words. So every time we have to talk and we have to think positive. So if you are be positive and if you are be cool, so then we can go further. The switch words will be worked accordingly. And next, color therapy. As I mentioned that color therapy, we'll be having all the colors and we can put the colors according to the like sketch pen or marker we can take, and black will not be included in everywhere. Like in color therapy or anywhere, it will not be included black. Other than black, any color we can use. That I will say at the end few tips. Next, in a traditional therapies we have naturopathy. So what is this naturopathy means? It's a nature cure. We can say it's a nature cure also. Nature cure means like we have to connect with the nature, like daily way, like walking, jogging, connecting with the nature and eating all healthy and vegetables, fruits and everything. And we have a water therapy and yoga every day. You can see the pictures, the same thing. And speaking with your whoever is like good with you, like you feel happy with them, you just spend a time, little more time with them. So these are the natural things. So we have to uh, it's not a stress relief, but will make inner happiness, then it will show on your face. So that is the main thing here. Next, as usual, you all know yoga, but in yoga also we have so many n number of uh, like positions and all. So accordingly, we can say that it's a simple one more. Without medication, we can cure maximum major diseases as well. So many things you have heard, but we will hear every day. We'll hear, but we will not try somewhere. So that thing we have to inculcate in our. We have to implement at least from like from 1st January. Every time we will be like think that from first we have to do this and that. So no need of only Jan 1st. Any day, if you are ready to do that, we can start from today or start from tomorrow. So that is the day one, and that is the change you are getting out. And next, these are the mudras. You all know, like Buddhist, we have the Buddha mudra and everything. So many things are there. So the same way we have so many things in our hand. So we can do so much miracles, so many things with our hands. Only with our hands we have so many things. But we are not using all this daily, like 5 minutes, or we can increase one day, 2 minutes we can increase, and we can do all these things. So few mudras which are important I have kept here. So many are there, but these are the simple and few major one, so we can use in our daily life. The basic mudra is Gnan mudra. First one you can see, for the brain to keep calm and to reduce stress and all. So like that, the remaining mudras are also, we can see for eyes and for nose, everything we have pranayam, everything mudras you can see. So these are the things we have to do further. So you have to be healthier. So the healthy means connect with the nature, like grow plants, everything we are saying, the same thing will connect with the nature, then only we'll be healthy and all, right? So a few tips will be like I'll be sharing with you. Just after that, if you have any questions or queries, just let me know. So like we'll say I'm sad, you're sad. So what is that sad? Sad means seasonal affective disorder. So this is the, in my opinion, is like seasonal affective disorder. Sad means this may be the abbreviation you can say. So here I have given few points here. It's a pressure point. So pressure point for headache and migraine. First, I just want to see you the picture here. So I will show you one more. I'll stop sharing and I'll show you. So pressure point for headache and migraine. So here pressure point I have shown here. So this is your hand, right? So this V shape will be coming, right? So this edge you have to touch with your first line of the thumb finger. First line of the thumb finger, you just put it here and bend. Where it is stopping, that point will be the pressure point. If you have severe headache or if you have migraine, every day you can do this one. If you press here, if you press with these two fingertips like this, and the same way, like this line, you have to touch here and bend. This pressure point here, you have to press with these two tips of your fingers. So like this. If you do this every day, so that headache will be reduced. If you have so much headache, it will be reduced. Then also, after doing this also, after 5 minutes, you are not happy with this, you just take this index finger and the middle finger with the two fingers and put it, these are the temples, right? Here, and rotate in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Little pressure, not so much heavy pressure. Just clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do this one. So one is this for the migration, like headaches. This point is every day you have to do. And this one. These two are basic minimum tips. So if you are used to this, if you do regularly, no need to go for the tablets. For sure, I can give you the assurance that we can do that simple remedies and all. And after this, next we have pressure point for constipation. Nowadays, like with the food habits and all, we have so much like washroom problems. Like for small children also, they have constipation and they are going for the doctor and they are not getting a free motion and all. So many things are there. So this pressure point in our palm, I'll just show you. It will be here. Our stomach area will be here. So how to find out where is the right place? So just bend your middle finger. Where the finger is touching here, this point is your stomach point. So here you have to press. If it is paining, you can check now also. Somewhere you have little bit uncomfort in your stomach. So if to get rid of this, you can make a circular motion, little pressure, and here again anti-circular like this, and make a pressure and do this. If still it is not relief, put some oil with your finger only, with the fingertip. You just put some oil this place, like this. For the point only, I'm just, like if you close the fist like this, the middle finger where it is touching, this is your stomach area. So this for constipation I'm saying now. So here you can put coconut oil or mustard oil, whatever oil. We can't go for like regular cooking oil. No, only coconut oil, mustard oil, or pure ghee if it is there, cow ghee. So we can go with this. Only pure oils if you take, it will be like doing better results will come. So you can go for circular motion and anti-circular, both sides. And just check when you're doing circular motion, if you're feeling very comfortable, go with that. If you're doing anti-circular, like anti-clockwise, if you're not comfortable, just don't do that. So you have to learn, like your mind will say, your body will say that this motion is good for me. So these are the few things for the constipation and headache we have learned. And one more is for better eyesight. Sir, as I said, the mudras and all, that also I will show you one mudra for better eyesight. That pinky finger, like little finger and ring finger. These two tips, and this should be straight. Like this, you have to put your straight and be for 3 minutes. Then you can increase one by one. And this is for the good eyesight. This is the mudra for eyesight. and point, if you want a point in your palm, like these two fingers in between, this point is for eyesight. This is a good point for your eyesight here. This point, like index finger and middle finger in between, this point here. And this is the point for the eyesight here. And I said mudra also. So these two, these things are there. So you have any doubt, you can just tell me. I'm just sharing the screen again. If you have anything, you can just go through this. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. So this is a small chart I have just collected. If you can, you just, according to the vitamins, we have this little small chart. And for now, any doubts here, if you have? So you can ask, you can unmute and you can ask any questions, any queries, or you have anything. Okay, for hair growth. Ma'am, first thing I will say the point, but along with that, you have to eat healthy and regular exercise. That's a must one. So this we can't go with the tablets and all. Eating healthy and exercises are these things. And for hair growth, these tips, 2 tips, and this side of the finger, like in index finger side. Here you have to just do like this. So this part, both the sides. Any other? So if you have any other questions, you can just ask me. So for each and everything, we have something the other, either we can go weekly once or monthly once. We can do like Abhyanga Snan. We will say the Abhyanga Snan, right? With like oiling our whole body from head to toe with one oil. Whatever oil suits you, that, and that is what, if you do that, it will be a benefit. And after that, any other like regular eating habits and a little bit 5 minutes yogas and or any mudras are also will help you a lot. Any other questions, any other queries? So you can type in the chat box if you have any. Ma'am, anything, ma'am? You have any questions? So without medication, these are the things what we have forgot and what we have to implement. As I said, these are the few things, few remedies we can do. Like our grandparents used to say that these are the few things when you are getting headache or when your stomach pain is there, anything. They will share that these things we have to do so it will be reduced and all. So like that few tips and all for constipation, for acidity and all, same thing. So we have a number of things. So any queries, any questions, you can just write in the chat box. So I can just Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very nice session, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we will upload this session in YouTube also. You can give the answers to them in the YouTube comments also. Thank you
Yeah,
so much, ma'am.
yeah, sure, ma'am.
If you have
Thank
any
you.
doubts, you can ask in YouTube also. And
Okay.
thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you,
And
ma'am.
someone asked some hair growth like that, ma'am.
Yeah, I said ma'am already.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.